In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video to a product gallery in WooCommerce. Adding a product video is a great way to show your customers how your product looks and works in real life. And in this tutorial, I'll walk you through a simple way to do that using a free plugin. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. Find the section labeled Plugins. Hover your mouse over Plugins, and from the options that appear, click on Add New. This will take you to the plugin marketplace, where you can search for and install new plugins for your site. At the top left of this page, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search box and type featured video, and then press enter on your keyboard. WordPress will now search for plugins that match that term and display a list of results below. From the search results, look for a plugin called Featured Video Plus. When you see it, click on it to open its information page. Here, you'll see details about what the plugin does, along with screenshots and reviews. On the right-hand side of this page, you'll see a button that says Install or Install and Activate. Click that button and wait a few moments while WordPress downloads and installs the plugin. Once it's finished, the plugin will be activated and you'll be taken back to your list of installed plugins. Now that the plugin is active, you can add a video to one of your products. Go back to the left-hand menu, find products, and click it. This will open your product list. From here, choose the product where you'd like to add a video to its gallery and click on the product name to open the editor. Inside the product editor, look towards the top left area of the page. You should now see a new featured video field that has been added by the plugin. In this field, you can paste a video URL, such as a link from a supported video platform. If you prefer to use a video file that's already in your media library or upload a new one from your computer, click the small icon on the right side of the featured video field. This will open the media library window where you can either select an existing video or upload a new file. Once you've added or selected your video, confirm your choice so that the URL appears in the featured video field. Finally, look at the Publish or Update area on the right-hand side of the screen. Click the Update button to save your changes. After the page reloads, your product will now include that video in its gallery on the front end of your WooCommerce store.